Igeria-ini ria gukinyira andu milioni 10 makorwo mamukirite njanjo ya homa ya COVID-19 muthia-ini wa mweri uyu ta uria thirikari yatanyite. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, unyitaniri-ini na atongoria makanitha nimaruguritie kambi-ini ya pata chanjo ka chonjo iria itanya inene ni kuhinyiriria muingi kwiyumiria na guthecwo. Kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, gukinyiria riu bururi wa Kenya wamukirite njanjo milioni 20.6 na kuri andu milioni 7.6 aria mamukirite njanjo ino, na hari namba ino andu milioni 3 nio mamukirite njanjo ciothe na andu milioni 4.6 hari namba-ini ino nio matigaritie kwamukira njanjo yao ya keri. Ihinda-ini riu thirikari niyugite ni ratabania ithimi cia COVID-19 mihaka-ini yothe ya bururi thutha wa bururi wa Uganda kwandikithia muthemba mweru wa murimu wa COVID-19 wa Omicron.
We had heightened our surveillance at ports of entry where we are doing now rapid antigen tests and then taking up those antigen tests that are positive for both PCR and sequencing. There is work in progress. We hope that in the next few days or so, once we have sequenced these samples, we may be in a position to say whether we have it here or not.
Hari unyitaniri-ini uyu, ministry ya ugima wa mwiri igukorwo na session cia kuheana njanjo makanitha-ini hamwe na mithigiti-ini kuona ni gukoragwo na namba nene ya andu.
Most of these vaccines also have a shelf life. They have a limited shelf life, and if we are not able to utilize them within good time, we stand the risk of losing these vaccines.
Mwena-ini wa atongoria makanitha nimeranire nimekunyita itemi riao na mataithiriria thirikari guku atongoria makanitha aria matathecetwo njanjo magia na mweke wa guthecwo niguo mahunjie ndumiriri iyo kuri arumiriri ao kuona no thiku 22 itigarite mwaka uyu uthire.
Religious leaders are going to show the way here because we are going to be vaccinated.
Religious leaders in Kenya remain committed to being the voice of reason in the country and commit to offer counsel and guidance to our congregants on matters of social, political, and economic well-being, both now and in the future.
Parents who hope to have their children vaccinated will have fulfilled the preservation of their progeny.
Manzia Zaman uria urugamirire ruhonge rwa UNICEF guku bururi-ini agiteterithia ati njanjo ciothe iri guku bururi-ini ni ihitukitio ni ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rwa thi niguo WHO na uguo andu matikage na guoya wa kwamukira njanjo.
We are working together in the high risk counties that have until now actually recorded some of the lowest uptake of the COVID-19 vaccines.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiuga no igukorwo ikirutithania wira na thirikari cia county, kanjo ya magavana oro udumwe na honge ingi kuona bururi ugukorwo tari ugwati-ini muingi wetikira guthecwo njanjo. Kiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Bururi.